Greetings, dear viewers. Today we are going to enter the wonderful world of finance and success, and I'm going to tell you about how to make a million. It's not just about accumulating a lot of money, it's about understanding the mystery of wealth and poverty. Today we're going to understand the formula behind our financial prosperity or, conversely, poverty. Ready to learn how to unwind the financial funnel and get the results you want? Then let's get started.
Advertisement. Have you heard of Bybit? It is the best platform for investing and earning, and also to realize your financial potential and reach financial freedom. And with the promo code under the video for registration, you will get $1,000 to your real account. Also, we remind you that you can financially support our channel and team through the link in the description. We continue to.
Chapter 1: What is wealth and poverty? Wealth and poverty are two opposite states related to the financial status of a person or society. Here are their definitions. Wealth is a state in which a person or society has enough material resources to satisfy its needs and wants. Wealth can be in the form of money, real estate, securities, businesses, and other assets. It can also include access to education, healthcare, and other services that contribute to well-being and comfort. Poverty is a condition in which a person or society lacks sufficient material resources to meet basic needs, such as food, shelter, clothing, and health care. Poverty can lead to limited opportunities for education, health, and professional development. It is often associated with low income, unemployment, and lack of access to social and economic resources. Wealth and poverty can take different scales and forms in different countries and societies. They can also result from a variety of factors, including economic policies, education, health, and opportunities for entrepreneurship and work. Combating poverty and creating the conditions for increased wealth are among the most important challenges for nations and societies as a whole. Chapter 2: Success Stories. There are many inspiring stories of people who have made millions from scratch. Here are a few such stories. 1. Oprah Winfrey. Oprah was born into a poor family in rural Mississippi, USA. As a child, she had no electricity or running water. However, due to her mental strength and efficiency, she started her career as a radio host and television presenter. Today, Oprah is one of the most powerful and wealthy women in the world, owning her own media empire. 2. J.K. Rowling. The author of the famous Harry Potter series began her journey to riches when she wrote the first book about the young wizard on the brink of poverty. Today, J.K. Rowling is considered one of the richest authors in the world. 3. Andrew Carnegie. This American entrepreneur and philanthropist began his career as a lumberjack boy in Scotland. He moved to the United States and, thanks to his entrepreneurial gift, became the owner of a huge stolen empire. Carnegie eventually became one of the wealthiest men of his time and a renowned philanthropist. These stories emphasize the importance of hard work, learning from mistakes, and striving to achieve goals. They also demonstrate that you can accomplish a lot from scratch if you have passion and perseverance. Chapter 3: The Poverty Formula. The poverty formula is a concept that describes some of the key factors and circumstances that may contribute to or keep a person or family in poverty. This formula is not an exact mathematical formula, but it reflects a combination of social, economic, and educational factors that may limit people's ability to rise above poverty. Here are the basic elements of the poverty formula. 1. Low income. One of the main determinants of poverty is inadequate income. People with low wages or who are unemployed often end up in poverty. 2. Lack of access to education. Low levels of education or limited educational opportunities can create barriers to better pay and career advancement. 3. Lack of access to health care. Lack of access to quality health care and insurance can exacerbate financial vulnerability and lead to long-term health problems. 4. Unaffordable housing. High rents or lack of sustainable housing can be a factor in poverty. 5. Social isolation. Lack of social support and access to a network of connections can also make it harder to escape poverty. It is important to realize that poverty is a multifaceted and multidimensional problem, and different people may find themselves in poverty for different reasons. Overcoming poverty often requires an integrated approach, including education, access to employment, social support, and economic development. Chapter 4: The Wealth Formula. The wealth formula is the success in life that everyone on our beautiful planet is running after. It does not have a strict mathematical formula, but includes the following key components and principles. 1. Earnings and income. To achieve wealth, you need to have sources of income that exceed your current expenses. This can include a job, investments, business, or other sources of income. 2. Financial management. A key element of the wealth formula is knowing how to manage your money effectively. This includes budgeting, planning your spending, minimizing debt, and maximizing savings. 3. Investing. Investing your money in assets that generate returns or growth in value can accelerate wealth accumulation. This could be investing in stocks, real estate, bonds, businesses, or other assets. 4. Education and professional development. Investing in your own education and skills can increase returns and career opportunities. Educated and skilled people often have higher earnings. 5. Financial literacy. Understanding financial concepts and tools helps you make informed financial decisions. It is important to note that the wealth formula may vary from person to person depending on their individual goals, capabilities, and situation. It does not guarantee immediate success, but provides general principles that can serve as a guide on the path to achieving financial independence and wealth. Chapter 5: How to take action. Reaching $1 million can be a long-term and ambitious goal. Below are practical steps that can help you get started on achieving this goal. 1. Set a specific goal. Determine exactly how much you want to save and in what time frame. The goal should be measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart. 2. Create a budget. Develop a budget to help you control your spending and maximize your savings. Determine how much you can set aside each month or each week to reach your goal. 3. Plan investments. Consider different ways to invest your savings so they grow over time. Consider stocks, bonds, real estate, investment funds, and other instruments. 4. Increase your income. Try to find ways to increase your income. This could include revising your current salary, finding additional work, developing additional skills, or starting your own business. 5. Develop financially. Learn financial concepts and tools. The more you know about finances, the better you'll be able to make informed decisions. Keep in mind that reaching $1 million is a long-term goal and can take time and effort. It is important to stay motivated and constantly work towards your financial goals. Summarizing. In conclusion, let's summarize our conversation about how to make $1 million and the wealth and poverty formula. 1. Wealth and poverty are two sides of the same coin. We have discussed that wealth and poverty are two different states related to our financial status. They can depend on many factors including income, education, debt management, and investments. 2. Poverty formula. We have also looked at factors that contribute to poverty, such as low income, lack of access to education and healthcare, debt, and other circumstances that can make financial stability difficult. 3. Wealth formula. Our discussions also covered the components of the wealth formula, including income growth, financial management, investment, education, and professional development, entrepreneurship, and risk management skills. 4. Key lessons. Key lessons we can learn from this discussion include the importance of managing one's finances, education, and skills, developing financial literacy, and striving for continuous growth and development. Remember, reaching $1 million or financial independence is a long-term goal and will require effort, patience, and wise financial decisions. But with proper planning, education, and constant work on yourself, it is absolutely an achievable goal. It's important to move forward with your own wealth formula, and remember that each path to success is different. Good luck on your journey to financial prosperity.